Welcome to this tutorial on creating a design system with Claude Fable 5. We'll be working on a project for the fictional e-commerce company, GreenCycle, that sells eco-friendly products. Our goal is to create a professional design system that includes a color palette, typography, and layout grid. We'll use Claude Fable 5 to streamline the process and make it easier to create a consistent design language for GreenCycle. The first step in creating a design system is to define the color palette. For GreenCycle, we want to choose a primary color that reflects the brand's eco-friendly values. Let's choose a shade of green as the primary color. We'll also select secondary colors that complement the primary color. Claude Fable 5 can help us generate a color palette that includes different shades and tints of the primary color. The next step is to select the typography for GreenCycle. We want to choose a font family that is clean and modern. Let's choose the Open Sans font family. We'll also select font sizes that are consistent throughout the design system. Claude Fable 5 can help us generate typography styles that include different font sizes and line heights. The final step is to create a layout grid for GreenCycle. We want to define a grid structure that is flexible and adaptable to different screen sizes. Let's choose a 12-column grid with a gutter size of 16px. Claude Fable 5 can help us generate a layout grid that includes different column and row sizes. One of the most common mistakes when creating a design system is inconsistent design language. This can happen when different designers are working on different parts of the project and not communicating effectively. Another mistake is lack of documentation. Without proper documentation, it can be difficult to maintain and update the design system. Finally, not using Claude Fable 5 to streamline the process can lead to inefficiencies and inconsistencies.